Hi everybody, welcome. I covered this on the Witching Week, episode 19, but this is just a quick and simple New Year's ritual that you can do that involves taking your Yule cards, your Christmas cards, and sending some blessings towards the people you love. So it's a really good way to use up your cards, to clear the clutter, and also you can recycle the card as well. So what you need to do is decide whether you're going to use the whole card or just half the card, and basically you're going to throw them into the fire and you are going to send love and blessings and make the intention that the person named in the card is going to be well and healthy and happy for the year ahead. If you don't have a fire, or you can't do this outside and have a fire, then you can use a candle and a cauldron. And there are two ways you can do this. You can either burn the whole card, or you can split the card in two. You can use this side of the card to make tags, to use for shopping lists. You could cut out the images and use them on a memory board, or a mood board, or a wish board. You could use the images to make a Christmas card. You could do absolutely anything basically with this side of the card. But this is the side that's important. So it's up to you whether you burn the whole card or just this part of the card. And it's really nice if you form some words, a little bit of verse to say before you burn each card. And it's just a really good way to get rid of all of your cards, to say goodbye to the energy of the previous year, and to think positively about the people that you love for the year ahead. Now, if you're wondering what about people that didn't send cards, that's okay. If you want to include them in this ritual, then you can simply write their names down on a piece of paper and include them in this ritual. So like any ritual, there doesn't have to be set rules. You make the rules, and these are your intentions. This is your magical energy that you are putting in to this act. You can write this ritual in whatever way you want. You can make it as complex or as simple as you choose, but it's just a really, really lovely way to either finish the year or to begin the new year. It's up to you when you do this. So yeah, thanks for listening, and see you soon.